I've been wanting to upgrade my home office for a while to have a new setup to accommodate my new laptop, and thankfully my friends at Office Oasis sent me this small office desk to review for you guys. So in this video, I'm going to open this up, see how easy or difficult it is to build, check to see if it's a quality product, and then show you what it looks like in my home office so you have an idea of what it might look like in your home office if you decide to buy it. Here we go. Looks like it comes with all the tools we need in a nice package, and it has step-by-step instructions on how to build it, along with instructions on how to use the cable tray organizer, which is one of the highlights of the desk. It has this giant metal tray that goes under the desk and you can use to put a power strip or different cables to organize your wires so it's not all tangled once you have your complete tech setup. It also comes with a bunch of free zip ties that you can use to secure the power strip and the cables to the cable organizer itself to keep things tightly arranged, which I think is a really nice touch. Now that I have everything out the box, we're going to see how long it takes for me to build this. Small detail, but important pro tip, I'm intentionally building this table with the top of the table remaining in the box because it has this nice styrofoam pad under it. I figure if I do it this way, I'm going to minimize the chance of the top of the desk getting scratches because I'm going to be putting the table legs in on the top. All right, here we go. There we go. That was super easy to build and it only took me about 30 minutes. The table material is looking pretty solid. I did accidentally drop the box when I first got it, so it looks like it got banged up a little bit over here, but the overall table is looking completely fine. This cable tray organizer seems like it's held in place really well too, and it's going to be really useful for holding my laptop's charger and other cables as I keep building my setup. To give you an idea of the scale, it has maybe half an arm's width distance from either side of my waist if I stand right in the middle of this desk. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like in my actual home office. Here's how the desk looks like in my home office, and it is literally perfect. At first I was a little worried that it might be too big since it feels like it has a lot of real estate when you're standing at it, but as you can see it has enough space to be away from my door and also leaves enough space to where it's not obstructing the door to my bathroom. Even with this minimalist setup, the cable organizer tray also came in super clutch, as you can see, because the only Ethernet cable I could find that I had left over was this ridiculously long one that I usually use for traveling, and also, of course, I had to plug in the charger. But since I have this cable organizer, I'm able to keep all these cables off the floor so I can have more space to store my backpack and other things, and also this won't get in the way when I'm vacuuming. And now with this arrangement, I can rapidly switch between my main setup and my secondary by just sliding my computer chair over, or if I have friends over to collab on content, then I can just have them sit over here and use this secondary setup as I work over here. So if you're looking at a computer desk for your home office that has a lot of space to get things done without taking up a lot of space, it's really easy to set up, made of high quality materials, and is intelligently designed, pick up this one from Office Oasis for yourself today, and you're going to be set.